Welcome back. In this video I have a Philips monitor today, and it is 24-inch monitor and it on a height adjustable, and monitor model is 243B1 model. And in the monitor you can rotate the stand as well on 180 I think. So we will look into the what port it has in the monitor. As we can see, we have a USB-C type as well, and HDMI, and two display, and two USB and internet connection as well, Ethernet port, and additionally two more USB on the side. So I'll show you how you can remove this stand from this monitor. Okay, we'll put in a flat surface, and if you want to remove the base plate, you just need to unscrew this and you will be able to release this base plate from this monitor, as you can see. Yes. So this is how we remove the base plate. Now you need to remove this hinge. You simply just need to push up and try to release this stand, and this will let you release the stand from this monitor.